Hey, how you doing? So listen, you want to hear about the COVID-19 music festival that's really a science project? We're going to talk about that right now. So hang in there because here we go.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope this find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And if you're new here, definitely don't forget hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. This way you know next time I'll come out with a video. And thumbs up. That always helps. That means you give a thumbs up. I always appreciate it. And everybody who's already subscribed and gives a thumbs up, thank you again. I appreciate it. So yeah, definitely ran across this story, man. I gotta share this with you. Um, it's about this huge music festival, and it says it's one big COVID-19 experiment, science experiment. So I definitely want to read this to you. Definitely want to know your thoughts, what you think about it. It's crazy. Crazy what's happening these days, right? All right, check this out. This huge music festival is just one big COVID-19 science experiment. Bare-mouthed Brits are partying like their lives depend on it. A multi-event festival took place over the weekend as part of ongoing research organized by the UK's Events Research Programme to examine the risk of coronavirus transmission in large public gatherings. Admission to the state-sponsored events required proof of a negative COVID-19 test prior to attendance, plus health monitoring after the shows, adding much-needed data as many nations prepare to resume social life in the aftermath of the pandemic. Masks and vaccines were not required for entry. So how was that now? It's not let people in, no masks, no vaccines. You just go in, just as long as you tested negative before you went there. The pilot events over the weekend saw more than 10,000 maskless revelers from Liverpool descend on their city for what included 2 indoor raves and an outdoor concert. About 3,000 packed into Liverpool's warehouse arena, Bramley-Moore Dock, on both Friday and Saturday nights. Acts included headliner Fatboy Slim and other electronic musicians. Despite the indoor settings, guests were not required to wear masks. On Sunday, some 5,000 turned out at Sefton Park Stage to watch British indie rockers Blossoms, the Lathams, and singer-songwriter Zuzu. Today is a monumental occasion to celebrate as fans get their first taste of music festival for more than 1 year. And all in the name of science, said Minister of Culture Caroline Dingerling. I don't know what her name is. Dinning. A soccer cup semifinal at Wembley Stadium on April 24th was also included in the ERP study, garnering another 8,000 research participants and sports fans, as well as events to come, such as the Brit Award London on May 11th. We're one step closer to a summer of live events. Now our science-led program is underway, said Culture Secretary Olivia Dowden in a separate statement. Testing different settings and looking at different mitigations is key to getting crowds back safely, and Sefton Park pilot is an important addition to the program. Added Liverpool's Director of Public Health, Matt Ashton, this data can then be used to help shape how the entire events sector can safely reopen both locally and nationally. Okay, so pretty much what they're doing is they're putting people in these gatherings. None of them have to have shots. They don't have to wear masks. Just go in and have a good time. The only thing you have to make sure you weren't positive with the COVID before you went. The way I look at 2 things going on here. First thing is it's definitely a science project, right? Where they're trying to figure out, is this stuff still spreading? Is things still happening here? Can we start reopening with these big gatherings and not worry about it. And if it's true, it's going to be a great thing for everybody. Second thing, what happens if it's not? What happens if all of a sudden these thousands of people you just put together somehow got sick and they gave it to each other somehow, some way? That's going to be a problem, especially if you have someone that already, sick or whatever the case may be, or die from it. But then think about how else would they check something like this? Like how else are we going to figure this out if it's over with or not? How are we going to figure out if it's safe to do things like this again unless we do it? Wow, this is really a tough one. I'll tell you the truth. This is really tough. What I actually think about this, because I want it to be safe for everybody to get together and hang out and go to concerts and ball games and sporting events and not have to worry about it, not have to wear a mask. So I hope this works out. I hope that it really shows that we can do it again. We can start living a little normal life again, I'm really hoping and praying that nobody gets sick. I hope that it doesn't, all these people get affected from something, because if it does, it's just setting us right back again. So with that being said, I really would like to know what you guys think. I mean, is this really a good idea to do this? Are these people, I guess they know what they're doing, but is it right to use somebody as science projects like that? And if not, how else are we going to do this? How are we going to figure this out? When is this shit going to end, really? Basically, how are we going to figure out it's going to stop? Most places now are starting to be a little more lenient on opening places where you don't have to wear masks, and it seems like things might be breaking a little bit here. So I just hope it is. I hope this thing they call a big, what did they actually call it again? The huge music festival is just one big COVID-19 science experiment. Well, I hope it comes out well. I hope the experiment works. I hope it lets us see new light into getting back to a regular life again. So definitely leave me some comments, leave some thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. Definitely got some more stuff coming out. I'm going to try to get some more cooking videos out soon as I can. I appreciate all you guys leaving the comments and watching. And as always, take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And I'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves. So long.